Would you like to learn how to make some delicious chili in the crock pot, just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
The first thing we have to do for this Crockpot Chili recipe is to brown the ground beef. But the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. My Crockpot has a saute mode. If yours doesn't, just use a frying pan on medium-high heat and brown your meat like that. Now I'm going to add some onions, multicolored bell peppers, and garlic to the ground beef. And for now, I'm only going to season the veggies up with a little salad and vegetable seasoning. And then I'm going to mix everything up. And then after about 5 minutes, the ground beef is nice and brown. And now I'm going to add some why in the world would they name it that sauce. And after the weird name sauce, then I'm going to add some diced tomatoes as well as some tomato sauce. I like beans in my chili, so I'm adding red and black beans. And you can't have chili without chili powder, right? Right. And then next I'm going to add some cumin. Be careful with the cumin though, because if you add too much, it can be overpowering. And then next I'm going to add some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comment section, but if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. Now after that, I'm going to add some complete seasoning as well. This next ingredient might seem a little weird, but you gotta trust me. A little cinnamon just bumps up the flavor so nicely in chili. It just adds like a warm, flavorful richness to the dish. Just 1 teaspoon is all you need. Also add some smoked paprika and 2 bay leaves. Now I'm going in with some beef broth. I like to add some additional onions and bell peppers at this point because the veggies that I added initially have already cooked away to Flavorland, so these veggies will be slightly visible and have a little bite to them. Now I'm gonna mix everything up, and if you're using a slow cooker, you can go for 8 hours on low or 4 hours on high. And if you're using the stovetop, you wanna let it simmer on low for 1 hour. But if you really want it to taste good, let it go for 2 or 4. I did 8 hours and I got this.
Lisa D Delight. Hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I burn it all.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. This chili came out super yummy, just packed with flavor, super delicious. Yes, sir. I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, you got what I need, yeah. Help me split these peas, yeah. You got recipes, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, damn, you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and